What's up, guys? Today we're going to be taking a look at the Campark DC01 forward-facing dash cam, which has a 3-inch screen. It's got a 170-degree wide angle, 1080p full HD video, G-sensor lock, loop recording, and more, all in a nice looking package from a company that I've come to trust, Campark. Let's take a look at what's inside. All right, so first impressions, it's a very good looking camera. It's very slim, as you can see from the side here, yet it has a 3-inch color screen on the back. It has a nice suction cup here, which has a turn device to allow you to increase or decrease the suction, which is a nice touch. Really good looking front end view here. You don't really want something sticking out of the front of your car that's ugly, and this is one of the nicer looking cameras that I've tested out here. Has a really a good quality feel to it. Feels like it has a pretty good quality build. There's nothing loose. Everything is nice and crisp. The buttons are nice and crisp. But let's plug it in and take a look. This dash cam obviously comes with your power, which you can route directly if you want to. But it also comes with your typical USB connection. But this one also comes with an adapter that allows you to stick this to your dash or stick it to your windshield if you're looking for a more permanent fastening solution. All right, nice looking color screen here. The controls are on the left-hand side and on the right-hand side. This can be adjusted forward as well as side to side like this. Very easy to adjust, very smooth. But let's see what it looks like on the road. Let's go for a drive.
And the Church of the Ladder Up to Heaven number 2, which split from the Church of the Ladder Up to Heaven number 1.